Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to reconnect a bank feed on your QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks account. It's pretty much the same thing as connecting a new bank account to your QuickBooks Online. If you, for some reason, disconnected or unconnected a certain bank account to your QuickBooks account, it's pretty much the same. So what you want to do is hover our mouse until we see accounting, right? On the left-hand side, you're going to see under accounting bank transactions here. Right, click on branch transactions. It's going to show you here. So we need to just connect an account, right? And it's going to show you all the accounts that are available that you want to connect, and just choose one and go through the same process again. So we were going to say we want this one, and it's going to ask you these. So make request access to your info. So who can, what can Intuit access? How long will this consent be valid? How will this data be used? And can I change my mind? So once you've read through everything here, right? Once you've read through everything, click agree, and that account will be connected again. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.